Hey y'all, what's up nieces and nephews? So I'm coming to y'all real quick. I just came back from a tasting. My brother's a chef here in town, so he did a tasting with a local rapper. My hair is kind of crazy. Yeah, a local rapper for opening of a restaurant. Oh, the food was so good. So I look a little bit tired, but I wanted to do real quick because I promise y'all it was just by accident that I had a mole right here earlier. I've pulled it off since then because I wanted to try it again and see if it worked, but it was just by accident. And I was like, hold up, I'm gonna go ahead and rock this mole tonight. Had these boys thinking I got these beauty moles just falling on me. So anyways, I rocked my little mole, so then when I got home, the lighting's not that great, but I don't feel like pulling out all that lighting and stuff tonight. So anyways, so I went ahead and came back home and just tried it again. Y'all see it? You see how textured it is? It's still drying. It's a little bit raised, but not crazy raised. So I want to show y'all how I achieved this. So you can take any little fine point. If you're about that beauty mole life, I mean, us 90 girls, we about that beauty mole life. So you can take a tip of this. Also, you can take the tip of your tweezers, or you can do a little fine, maybe like a little needle head, maybe like a pin head, you know, like a little stick pin head if you're not going to stick yourself. It depends on how big you want it. If you're going to do a couple of them on your face, then, you know, you can do them in like various sizes. I guess it's kind of like how when people's rocking the little freckles, but I like moles. To me, they're cute and sexy. So anyways, what I'm going to use is this Envy Strip Lash Adhesive, hypoallergenic with aloe. So it's a little softer than your average lash grip. Like I said, it was just by accident that I went ahead and had that little mole here earlier. So let me show y'all how I do it. It's so stupid, but anyways, I just thought I'd make a video about it. So use that. You're just going to do a little dollop. Boop. Okay. And y'all know when you're doing your lashes, you always have to let it kind of tack up a little bit. So once you put it on your face, the same applies. You're going to have to let it tack up a little bit. So earlier I did it with this. So let's try it again and let's see how that turns out. So you just barely hold on. Where's the daggone thing? Oh, there we go. You just barely touch it. It's not focusing. Yeah, just a little bit. And then let's see. So let's say if I put one right here. Boop. Hold on. Oh, yeah, there it is. Oh, hey, girl. So one right there. And then if we want to do a bigger one, you can put a little more on it. I'm going to try it with these little scissor heads because my scissor heads are sharp. Boop. Oh, watch out now. Watch out now. Hold up, slow up. Let me find out somebody was born with these moles. But see why I love them, and that has happened to me before, and people was like, oh, you got a beauty mole. I'm like, But they're textured. They're not flat. And normally I will use my little NYX or little liquid, I don't have it in this makeup bag here, a little liquid eyeliner and just do like a cute little dot, but those aren't textured. They're like those under the skin moles, which is cool, you know. But if you just wanted something that was just a little bit more raised, I found out that this lash adhesive is on one. Let's do a real small one. Let me see, where else would a sister normally have one? Oh, we found out she got 1 and 2 right there. So I just used the tip of my scissors, my little fine scissors. Oh, hold what? Oh, this lighting is a mess. But y'all get the point. So anyways, I gotta wipe that off afterwards. So you can just take a little, I really don't have a little makeup today besides my brows and a little concealer. So just work with me. And this lipstick, I should have put on some foundation, but whatever. So let that dry. You're gonna fan it just like you would your eyelashes. Let them dry, let it get a little tacky, and then let it dry again. Ooh, how somebody just gonna come in the room with all these moles on their face? What? See, people be trying to diss moles, but I'm about that mole life. You know what I'm saying? Oh, textured mole life. Oh, just adds a little element to that face. You'd be like, hey, oh, it's just hair would act right. Let me see if this one's dry. Yep, that one's pretty much dry. Ooh, this one I did about 15 minutes ago, and it's not coming off. That one's still getting tacky. We know that one's not drying. Let me pick up this tripod. This one, how long ago did we do this one? I can't remember, but let's see if it's dry. It's a little tacky. So it's to the tacky point, but you just want to wait till it gets dry. And they're so cute. At least I think they're cute. Do y'all? Yeah. So if y'all want a little mole, get about that adhesive life, baby. Get that in your life. Yes. The lighting's a little bit better. My room's a disaster. Anyways, that's that, y'all. I should have put on some eyeshadow earlier, but we just ran to this little tasting. Tell me what y'all think below. Tell me if y'all about that mole life. Yes, sir. Yeah, that looks good. That's it. Leave a little feedback down below. Tell me what y'all think. Am I crazy? But I like it. Shoot. I'd be like, do you? Shoot, because I'd be doing me. Okay. And that's how I gets down. I like to pull up and have somebody question some things. You know what I'm saying? Have them a little bit confused. Be like, hold on. Was she born with that? You'll never know. All right, y'all. Holla at y'all later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hate when people say that, but you know what? I'm feeling it on that because sometimes people be trying to be shh. They don't want to say nothing. They just want to watch your video and not say a word. But y'all go ahead and hit that like button. That way, we can get in this rotation. Get on this YouTube rotation. Because you know they about that rotation life. So if y'all could just get us in rotation, we'd love to bring y'all more content. So anyways, thanks. Have a good evening.